Welcome back to this video, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you on how to source and buy phone accessory from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to source and buy phone accessories from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's dive in. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply head over to your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. After you open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to simply source for an item. There are so many ways to source for an item on 1688. One of the first way is to simply come to the address bar right here. What you need to do is to simply type the keyword of the item you are looking for. Let's say I need phone accessory, phone accessories. Then you click on search. So in a few minutes, you are going to see variety results of phone accessory. Then you can simply scroll down and choose from any supplier you want. Okay. Alternatively, let's go back to the home page. Another way to search for an item on 1688 is to make use of this camera icon, which stands for image search. What you do here is to simply have the picture of the item you want to source. Just upload the picture with this icon right here, and you are going to see a similar result. Another way to source one item on 1688 is to simply swipe this way, and then you navigate to this particular new icon right here. This simply means that every new and upload latest item is posted under this new section. Alternatively, you can begin to swipe and then scroll down like this, and like this. Then from there, you can pick on any item of your choice. After you have successfully sourced for an item, next thing you need to do is to simply add the item to cart. So for you to add an item to cart, so let's check it out on how you can simply add an item to cart on 1688. All right, so this particular item right here, this phone accessory, I'm going to add the item to cart. And for me to add the item to cart, what I need to do is to simply click on here. Then it open up to this particular page. Okay, so from this item, I need 13 Pro Max. I need just one. So what I need to do is to simply click on here to add one. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. I need 14 Pro Max and 12 Pro Max. So this is 12 Pro Max, one. Then I need 14 Pro Max. So I have to simply scroll up and down and search for 14 Pro Max. So right here we have 14 Pro Max. Then I also need 15 Pro Max right here. Then I need iPhone 7 one. So iPhone 7. So I need one of this. Then I need XX Max, one of this. Okay, next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to add them to cart. All right, so let's check on another store and see how we can actually add the item to cart. So from this store right here, I need to add some few phone accessory to cart. Okay, so for me to do that, what I need to do is to simply click on here. Then it takes us to this particular page. Okay, so I need this particular color from 12 Pro Max to 15 Pro Max. So I have to scroll down right here. So I need 12 Pro Max 1. I need 13 Pro Max 1. I need 14 Pro Max 1. Then I need 15 Pro Max 1. Okay. So next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to add them to cart. So after I successfully add the item to cart, next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to fill my cart. So all the item we had into cart is going to be found right here. So next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to select all the accessory. So having select all the items from the bottom to the top, next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, I need to simply scroll down and simply click on here. And I'll make sure I select my Alipay as a means of payment. Then I'll make sure after selecting my Alipay as a means of payment, I'll make sure I come down below here and click on here to proceed to payment. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. Payment done, successful. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to go back to my profile. So for me to access my profile, I need to just simply click on go back. Then for me to access my profile, I need to simply click on here. So by the time I refresh my profile, the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. These are all the phone accessories I just buy on 1688. So basically, this is how to source and buy phone accessory from China using 1688. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation business with 1688. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.